welcome to Vishwakarma Industries, a trusted name in pipe machinery, serving manufacturing units across India and abroad since 1987 with efficient, reliable, and high-performance production solutions. Today, we are delighted to introduce one of our key products, the soft PVC braided hose pipe making machine. This system produces strong, flexible pipes that are capable of withstanding high air pressure, making them ideal for water supply, fire hose applications, and other fluid transfer needs. Whether you're setting up a new manufacturing unit or scaling up an existing facility, this machine is suitable for all levels of operation. It supports pipe sizes ranging from 6 mm to 50 mm and, depending on the model, delivers a production capacity of 80 to 110 kg per hour. The braiding unit uses fully uniform threads for fast and reliable production, reinforcing each pipe with added strength and flexibility. From a technical point of view, the machine features a single screw extruder that ensures uniform flow and melting of PVC material. PID-controlled heating zones automatically maintain precise temperature control, while the specially engineered screw guarantees continuous, stable, and efficient output. Its stainless steel cooling tank cools the pipes thoroughly, ensuring that they are strong, crystal clear, and accurate. To save energy, the machine comes equipped with efficient motors and insulated heating zones that help reduce electricity consumption. This model is available in a semi-automatic configuration, easy to operate, low in maintenance, and built to last for years. At Vishwakarma Industries, we don't just make machines, we offer complete business solutions. From technical support to dependable service, we stand with you through every step of your growth. So, if you're planning to upgrade your pipe manufacturing setup, reach out to us today. Vishwakarma Industries, where innovation meets trust.